Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the role of women in a relationship. In the olden days, the role of women is as common as a maid. But in this modern era, men have grown to realize that women are more than what they expect them to be. Even though there are still some gender inequalities and gender roles that still exist, but they all serve the same purpose, and all of them are eager to take care of each other, and that is the main purpose of these relationships and the roles of both parties. So let's look at some of the roles women need to play in their relationships to make it work. Number one, the role of partnership. We often think that men like to be superior over women when it comes to relationships, but this isn't so. Men actually want a partner that they can spend the rest of their life with. They need a woman they can walk shoulder to shoulder with, a woman that can contribute to that relationship, a woman that they can actually appreciate her opinions and her attitudes. But if they are not able to appreciate these things, then the relationship will not work. So it is the role or the duty of the woman to be able to be that partner that the man actually needs. The second role of a woman in a relationship is for her to support the man. Every man needs a woman that will support, not a woman that will only be there when things are rosy or are good, but opt out when things get rough or tougher. When you are that type of woman, no man will take you seriously. Every man needs a woman that will push him forward without trying to change him, and also believe in him, even if he loses that guard and he doesn't know he can be able to achieve that thing. You believing and trusting him alone is going to take him to a higher limit. Sometimes men can go down due to one problem or the other, or due to circumstances beyond their control. So they need the support of their partner or their woman to be able to move forward or to be able to get back on their feet again. Thirdly, the role of a lover. And this role is very crucial because it involves you, the partner or the woman, to be romantic. They need that support, that love, that courage, that hug. They need that touch, that kiss. At least a little act of kindness and love is going to create an endless bond between both of you. Because when men fall in love, they become very sensitive. So they need that bond. He needs that affection to be able to love. Women hold the key to every successful relationship or to every successful marriage. So when you are able to play your roles very well, it contributes a lot in making that relationship work. There are so many roles women need to play to make their relationship work, but time will not permit us to mention all of them, but just to mention these few that we talked about. So as a woman, you need to love, support, and be a partner to your husband or to your boyfriend to make it work, because men need that partnership. Let's try and forget about the olden days mentality of men are strong, cold. Men don't need care, they don't need cuddling, they don't need support because they are capable of getting that on their own. It's never true. Men also need us. So let's support them and let's build that relationship the way we want it to be and how far we want it to go. And when we do that, we will never regret it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new and interesting videos. Take care.